artificial intelligence has progressed beyond enthusiasts. It now serves as a revenue stream for ordinary individuals, even those lacking coding abilities. In the next 4 minutes, I'll explain how you can start earning with AI today, no matter your experience level. Let's dive in. Freelancing offers the quickest way to get started. Leverage AI to help you in this venture. Consider this. Businesses require content, emails, social media posts, and advertisements daily. This was once a time-consuming process. Now, tools like ChatGPT and Claude allow you to produce high-quality content in minutes, making it appear as your own. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a profile showcasing services such as copywriting, email marketing, or social media management. Let AI handle the bulk work, enhance your results, and deliver efficiently. Using this approach, individuals earn between $50 and $500 per project. It's not just about writing talent, it's about effectively guiding AI and polishing the outcomes. That's the crux of it. Here's a more unconventional method: selling AI-generated digital products. Utilize AI image creators like Midjourney or Adobe Firefly to craft beautiful artwork, selling it on sites like Etsy or Creative Market as printable art, templates, or design elements. You can also make use of AI writing tools to develop ebooks, guides, or templates. Create once, and they can generate income while you enjoy your free time. This leads to passive income. For instance, an ebook titled, How to Enhance Your Email Writing, or A Beginner's Investing Guide, priced at $9, might sell hundreds of copies effortlessly following its creation. The secret lies in selecting a niche, creating genuinely valuable content, and targeting the right audience. This next concept is especially significant. Visit a local business, whether a restaurant, boutique, or salon, and propose to manage their social media using AI tools. You can generate captions, design posts with Canva AI, and schedule content, all in significantly less time. No degree is necessary. You don't need extensive technical knowledge. All that's required is familiarity with the tools and dedication to consistency. If you're ready for more, platforms like Bubble or Softer allow you to create straightforward AI-driven applications without coding knowledge. Think about a resume builder, a recipe generator, or a chatbot for small businesses. These services can be offered through a subscription plan. Even 50 users paying $10 monthly would yield $500 in recurring income each month. Keep in mind, those profiting from AI aren't necessarily more intelligent than you. They simply took action. Choose a single method, dedicate a week to learning it, and move forward. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe. I share practical guides like this each week. Also, let me know in the comments, which method will you try first? I can't wait to see you in the next video.